What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am at my dad's shop and I'm going to be trying to polish the Dart. I got lots of tools, lots of things. Hopefully I've learned enough on the internet and I can do this without any mishaps and without ruining the paint again. So this is my first attempt at trying to polish the car. You can see the streaks. This is all like into the paint, so I'm gonna try and fix that. I have lots of new tools. Let's see what we can do. So it's very possible that I'm doing something wrong. As you can see, the little haze that was there before, that's gone, but I'm trying to get like, see if we can even get a view of them. I'm trying to get like these scratches out. Alright, it's done. I got the whole car done. And it's very reflective. Like glass. I got back here, this was like what I really wanted to get done. There's still some residue on the window. I didn't get all of it off. I got all of it off the paint though. Went a little too harsh on the buffing there. Otherwise it's looking good. Well, we had a big windstorm last night. And do you have to follow me everywhere? Hey. Do you have to follow me everywhere? Everywhere. Well, we had a big windstorm last night. Knocked over this fence. So I'll have to probably do that tomorrow. It's getting really cold now. Fun. And I might have found a place for this. We'll see. I'm gonna go check in about 30 minutes. I was sent to the store for peppermint extract and that's it. Hopefully I can find some. The one I need is empty. Strikeout place number 1. We only have one other place to check. We only have 2 grocery stores in this town. Well, I might be able to check one more. So we have it's not really a grocery store, Walker Drug, but they do sell groceries there. It's the last place I'll check. But Village Market's most likely gonna have what I'm looking for. Well, I know they carry it. Whether they have it or not is another question. But I know what I'm looking for, and they're going to be the ones to have it. We will find out. Root beer, coconut, peppermint right there. I'll fix this coconut one while I'm at it. Oh, there's not room. That's why it's like that. Well, never mind. I won't fix it. Peppermint. This is the one we need. So I will grab one of these. And I'm actually going to grab 2 because she said she only needed 1, but since we can't get them at the other grocery store, I'm going to get them here. There's going to be 2. They probably never expire because they're extracts. And that's all I need. I just hopped onto the Facebook Marketplace and saw a pickup truck for sale. So I'm on my way to go buy it. Don't know what I'm doing. Once again, I forgot to film an outro. I went and picked up that truck, came home. It was way too cold and dark to do anything. But you'll see tomorrow that I'm checking that truck out. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing and clicking that bell. I'll see you tomorrow.